Welcome to everyone. My name is Irwin and I am from Gen Infotech. My trainer name is Surendra. Today our topic is about dynamic input approaches. In this dynamic input approaches, we have three approaches. One is of buffered reader, and the second one is scanner class, and the third one is console. Today let's see about reader. So buffered reader is used for taking the input from a user to the Java application. Let me write the buffered reader syntax. Buffered reader. Let's take a variable. You can take it any kind of variable and new buffered reader. New input stream reader system.in. Here system is a class, and here system is a default input class, and in is a variable. We can access variable by using the system class, and let me explain this in the form of a diagram. This is a CMD and this is Java application. If we write a variable name like Irwin, and the data which you have given in the CMD, that should be passed to the Java application. For this, here we use the input stream. In the input stream we have the data will be converted as bytes. So first it will be converted as bytes. Let's say byte as 0 1 0 1 0 1. So we have to convert by using bytes. We'll convert this to the characters, bytes to characters. This is bytes and it is characters. In these characters, we get each and every separate letter as a character, and that will be converted. This will be converted with each and every letter. When the conversion is done by using the characters, it will take a lot of time, and the application will get it as slow down. So for this, to overcome this process, we use buffered reader. We use buffer reader to convert. So this is buffered reader. Here the entire name will be converted as string, and it is delivered into the Java application. So by using buffer reader, we can take the input, and also by using buffer reader, we can convert the data fastly and effectively. And let's see a code on this. Let's see a program on this. Yeah, in this we have two. One is read, and the other is readLine. In this readLine means readLine is nothing but converting the total string at a time, and read means only the character, only the first in the string, the first letter ASCII value. Let's see a code on this program. The buffer reader and all are present in the package import java io dot star package. We can write main method string array of works. Here we have to throw the exception. That is the for all here we don't know what the exception we are going to get. So here we are going to get the IO exception. So for the for all the exception we use the name exception. We should throw that as exception, only exception. Throws exception. Exception. Here we have to create the object for buffered class. System.in. Now we have to get so now we have we shall write a statement system dot out dot print and print ln enter your name. Enter your name. So we have to get the name in the form of strings. So we have to create object for string. Let's take a variable as data. Let's store the data in this, and this is b dot readLine. And let's see the even we have written for readLine, and let's see for the read method also. In this we get system dot out dot println. You can write the same name which you have given in the top, same as enter your name. Again enter your name. Here we are going to get in the read method, we are going to get the ASCII values. So we have to create the object for it.